video is about unit conversion. How do we convert one unit to another? Suppose we want to convert 80 meters to kilometers. These are the steps involved. First, you gotta list the unit that you have, which is meters, and the unit that you want to convert to, which is kilometers. Step number 2, you need to determine the relevant conversion factors relating the two. Number 3, you're going to set up your unit conversion. We write the unit that we have and multiply them by the conversion factors so that the old unit will cancel out. So you start 80 meters. This is your conversion factor. 1 kilometers is 1,000 meters. So meters on the top cancel with meter in the bottom. So you're left with 0.080 kilometers. Okay, so let's do a few examples. Suppose you drive 10 kilometers from your university to your home in 20 minutes. You need to calculate the average speed in kilometers per hour and mile per hour. So let's do number 8. The hint is average speed is distance over the time. So here we have distance and we have time. So speed is 10 kilometers per 20 minutes. However, this is not what we want. We want the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay. So we need the conversion factors to cancel the minute. So the minute in the bottom, we need to put the minute on the top, and we need to left with 1 hour in the bottom. So the conversion factor will be 60 minutes per 1 hour. So minute cancel, so that gives you 3. So that will be 30 kilometers per hour. B. Now we want it into mile per hour. So let's start from scratch. We can start from here, but let's start from scratch. 1 kilometer, 10 kilometers per 20 minutes. Again, we need to cancel the minute, so put the minute on the top, and we need to live with hour in the bottom. So 60 minutes, 1 hour. So that's the first conversion factor. Now we need to cancel the kilometers and leave with mile. You can cancel that need to cancel that. So now we get with mile per hour. So you look up the conversion factor. It will be something like 1 kilometer is 0.6214 mile. So when you multiply this out, so that will be 3 here. So that basically 30 multiplied by this factor, you end up with something like 18.6 miles per hour. That's a little bit slow, but it's still within the order of magnitude. Okay. Example number 2. The area of your table is 1.5 meters square. We want to convert that to inch square. Okay. So let's write it down. 1.5 meters square. Okay, so follow the previous step. We want a conversion factor so that is have meter in the bottom and inch square on the top, right? So that we can cancel like this. However, you look at the conversion factors table, you won't see meters to inch square like that. You see something like meters in and vice versa, right? So, but you notice that this can be written in whatever the number is, meters, the whole thing square, right? So this is what we need to write. So let me start writing it. We need something like that with the meter in the bottom and inch on the top. So if you look up the conversion factor, you see 1 meter is 39.37 inch, and that's square. So that you can see that this will get canceled, and the inch here gets square. So that would be in square out. So it's 1.5 multiplied by 39.37, the whole thing square, and that come out to be 2324.9 in square. So you should round up to 3 digits here, so that will be 2320 in square.